Dear friends, today we are going to discuss parts of speech. Parts of speech is defined as one of the traditional categories of the word that is intended to reflect their meanings in grammatical context. Let's discuss each of part of speech one by one. Number one, noun. Number two, pronouns. Number three, adverb. Four, adjective. Five, verb. Six, interjection. Seven, conjunction. And eight, determiner. Noun. Noun definition. Noun is defined as a content word that refer to person, place or things. Of noun are being discussed here. Number one is proper noun. Number two, common noun. Number three, abstract noun. Number four, concrete noun or material noun. Or material noun. Number five is collective noun. Six, countable noun. Seven, uncountable noun. We will discuss each type of noun in details in next video. So keep watching the videos for more such content. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.